release stress. So it's like I came for a checkup in the Artopiia clinic.
Oh, I like that. Last week at our Therapy Sundays, we started a new exercise. It's actually a warm-up. What you do is you pair up with someone and both of you draw something on your individual pieces of paper, and then every 5 minutes you switch. You draw something on their page, they draw something on yours.
Leaving my studio to come here is a must, and being here and doing this is a form of a sense of achievement. Me being an artist, coming to Artopiia, it's been something I wanted to do all the time.
Far away, so far away, like space come close, baby, give me that taste.
The whole point of doing this is, as artists, we're always working on our own art. Think of this idea of unity and how, like, when you work together with someone, what can you come up with? Tell me the inspiration behind your piece.
This is the king of the jungle. I love green. I love everything natural. And sometimes I see myself to be a lion, not married because maybe I have lots or something. I cannot be tamed. Being here is more of a therapy for me at this moment. I didn't even know what I wanted to draw. Working under 5 minutes is sweet. Time in your conscience.